Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Park. This video is about linear inequations. What do you mean by a linear inequation? What is a linear inequation? Any statement which is in the form of some ax plus b or 2x plus 3 or 5x minus 7, 5a minus 3. These type of expressions are called as linear expressions, that is, which are having the highest power of the variable as 1. So in this, x is a variable and a and b are real numbers. Here x is a variable, 2 and 3 are constants. Here x is a variable and 5 and 7 are constants. A is a variable and 5 and 3 are constants. So such expressions are called as linear expressions. Then these linear expressions, if they are equated to some number like 1 or 3, 7, 5, if they are equated to some number, then this particular expression is called as equation, and these are all linear equations now. Then in place of this equal to sign, if there is any sign which is either less than or greater than or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, that is, say ax plus b less than c, for example, or some ax plus b is greater than c, or some ax plus b less than or equal to c, or some ax plus b greater than or equal to c, where a, b, c are real numbers with a as a non-zero number and x as a variable. Such statements are called as linear inequations. So how do we solve these linear inequations in one variable? Let us look ahead. Example, 2x plus 7 is less than 14. 2x plus 7 is less than 14. Then we find this like 2x less than 14 minus 7. So 2x is less than 7, x is less than 7 by 2, that is x is less than 3 1 by 2. So now x is less than 3 1 by 2 is the solution of this one. But before you know all this, you need to know two things, that is about replacement set and solution set. I will give you a small example to explain you about this replacement set and solution set. For example, say suppose a boy is crying. A boy is crying. For what he is crying, we are not aware. But he is crying. Just I went to him. I asked him, "Beta, what do you want? Why are you crying?" He did not respond. He started crying. I want, I want. What do you want? He is not telling what he exactly needs. But he is still crying. Then I offered him, I'll give you a pencil. I'll give you a pen. I'll give you a sharpener. I'll give you an eraser. I'll give you a dairy milk chocolate. I will give you a good day biscuit. I will give you a crackjack biscuit. or I'll give you some doll. Then all these things what I said, at some point, maybe say for example, when I said a chocolate, then his expression changed in a face. Chocolate. So such thing he needs. That means whatever I offered him is just a replacement set. Because the child is crying, I offered so many things. Those will come under replacement set. But at what thing he smiled, means his expression changed, that is nothing but the solution set. And we came to know that he needs a chocolate. So that is coming under solution set. So here what will come under this? X less than or equal to 3 1 by 2. So from negative number still 3 1 by 2 can come, or 0 to 3 1 by 2 can come, or 1 to 3 1 by 2 can come. So that is why here if there is any replacement set given like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out of these numbers, this is called as a replacement set. Means it is already given in the question that out of these numbers the solution is there. But out of these numbers, what are all less than 3 1 by 2? What are the numbers less than 3 1 by 2? That is 0, 1, 2 and 3. These are the numbers which are less than 3 1 by 2. So this is called as a solution set. Replacement set is having so many values which can be replaced, means x can be replaced by any of these values, but at what value this inequation is satisfied, they will be called as solution set values. So the difference between replacement set and solution set is, replacement set is the values that can replace the given variable in the linear inequation, but the values that satisfy the given linear inequation is nothing but solution set. Let us know more about these linear inequations. Let us consider an example. 3x minus 1 is less than 8 and the condition is given as x belongs to n natural numbers. Then 3x is less than 8 plus 1, 3x is less than 9, x is less than 9 by 3, so x is less than 3. Then x belongs to n is replacement set, but what will be the solution set? Solution set will be only 1 and 2 because the natural numbers begin with 1 and end at infinity. So 1 and 2 are only the values which are satisfying x less than 3. Say for example the same question is given for whole numbers, then the solution set will be 0, 1, 2 because whole numbers begin from 0. Then say suppose if the same question is given for integers which is represented as z or I, the solution set will be infinity, means less than 3 there are innumerous number of integers, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So infinity to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 will be the solution. For example, if x belongs to R is given, that is real numbers. If when the question is given as real numbers, there are infinite number of numbers in between two numbers. That is, Suppose if you consider this 1 and 2, in between this 1 and 2 also there are infinite number of numbers which will be called as real numbers. So we will not write the specific solution for this, but we will write the solution in the form of set builder form. That is, solution set will be written as the solution is x such that x is less than 3 and x belongs to R. Means whatever numbers which are coming before 3, including 2.9999999 and so on, means except these 3, whatever numbers are coming before it will come under this solution. So this solution set of real numbers will be always given in the form of set builder form. Now you see, a concept by name number line is there. So how do we draw the number line for these types of solutions? Now the number line for this, it is compulsory for us to write one number before and one number after, and you will represent this with a dark dot. This indicates that the solution is 1 and 2, and the number line before this number and after this number is still continuing. And next, suppose if it is of whole numbers, then also we write -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 0 is the solution, 1 is the solution, 2 is the solution. Then infinity, how do you show this infinity? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here it is ending, but here you will put dot, 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 dot to represent that still the numbers are existing here, and here -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, then dot, 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 dot. This indicates that the solution is still existing here. Then this for this one, how do we? Here -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then at 3 you will mark hollow dot. This hollow dot represents that except this 3, means this 3 is not there in the solution. If it is a filled dot, then it is included. That is, suppose instead of less than, if it is less than or equal to 3, that time you can fill this dot and give the answer. Like how? Like this. Means all the numbers which are before this, put an arrow so that it indicates that the solution is completely towards this side. If it is a filled dot, then this includes. Then for all these real numbers, there is only one number line in mathematics, that is real number line, and we mention the number line as R. Sir, condition is given natural numbers, but you are plotting the solution on real number line. Condition is given whole number, but there is one real number line. Integers, real number line. Real numbers on real number line. So this is how we go about solving a linear inequation. Yet there is another important point to note. What is that? Example, say for the same question, we make a little change. -3x minus 1 is less than 8. X belongs to natural number. Now, -3x is less than 8 plus 1. -3x is less than 9. Then minus 3x is less than 9. So you are not supposed to take this minus to the right side to write it as x less than 9 by minus 3. This will be absolutely wrong. The change what you have to note here is, instead of writing this, you will change this minus as plus. How? When minus 3x is less than plus 9, then plus 3x will be greater than minus 9. Then x greater than minus 9 by 3, that is x greater than minus 3, x greater than minus 3. So what will be the solution set now? The solution set will be greater than minus 3. Greater than minus 3, what are the natural numbers? It will start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Means total x belongs to n will come under the solution set. So here replacement set is nothing but the solution set. So to remember this, I will give you another example. Now one is minus 2 is less than minus 1. It does not mean that you cancel minus on both sides and write 2 is less than 1, which is absolutely wrong. So whenever minus 2 is less than minus 1, you will write plus 2 is greater than plus 1, which will be correct. So in the same way, how do we remember such things? Means if minus x is less than some minus a, you will write this as x greater than a. Then if minus x is less than plus a, then you will write plus x is greater than minus a. Then minus x is greater than minus a, you will write x less than plus a. We remember the concept like this and we apply the same in the solutions to solve the linear inequations in a better way. Thank you.